Yep. Right now, that's what I gotta deal with. I guess it's a lot colder elsewhere, but you know, it's always too cold no matter where you are. You always want it warmer. So along with sub-zero temperatures, I get to crawl under here and play with that starter. Cold out tonight. Okay, after about an hour and a half of struggling in the snow, finally got the starter off. Now, take it inside and see if it's actually the right one. Well, I got a good start on my starter repair. Yeah, it appears they are the same starter. The auto parts store got it right for once. So, that's enough for tonight. Maybe with some luck I can get this nice new shiny one on tomorrow. Although, the way things went tonight, probably take me another 2 nights to do it. Too cold to be out there for too long. But at least I did it. Getting her done, right? Can't just sit around and complain all the time. Yeah. Jeez, even my lips are cold. Making it hard to talk. Okay, let's see what tomorrow brings. Okay, now that I got that starter off, let's try a little experiment. What? Okay, wait. Let's try the solenoid first. Oh. Oh, no ground. Okay, solenoid is working. Oh. Huh. Well, that starter seems fine. Oh, jeez. That's a little upsetting. What the fuck was wrong with it? Oh, jeez. Interesting. Well, I guess I'll put the new one on anyways and hope it starts. Okay, just about the moment of truth here. Got the starter all back in, got it all hooked up. See if I can get it unlocked. Okay. Simply gonna put the key in and turn and see what happens. I don't really want to sit in here with my dirty coveralls on. There we go. Success.